Last time we fired up the boat and moved from Diamond Key to Great Harbor on Joost van Dyke. We secured Cabo on a mooring ball, launched the dinghy, and went ashore and grabbed a cab. As the road had washed out, the taxi took us around back and made our way to White Bay for a day at the beach.
The drink boards.
Jay had plenty of painkillers waiting for him on the drink board from family and friends.
Right there on the first one. Right here.
Perfect. You want some shrimp? Yeah, lots of them.
Lovely. You got friends, you're special people.
Thank you, sir.
It's raining out. Richard's walking the beach. Oh, it's really raining out. Maybe not.
How long is it gonna last, guys?
The rain didn't last long and we were back in the water shortly thereafter. At least Jay and Julie were.
Jay and Julie are in the water and they're waving us to come in, but we're really just going to let them do an 8-hour float on the floaties, like their first date.
Hello. Yes, I am on my phone.
I didn't say a thing.
Rumor has it Captain had a small nap. I don't know.
Rumors are true.
That's good.
We walked the beach and stopped by at Gertrude's and took the opportunity to take some photos in the giant Adirondack chair.
What are we drinking? Pain relievers.
Painkillers.
And of course, what would a day be without painkillers and floaties? And after a lovely day, we made our way back to the boat. This is where the road washes out during the rainy season.
Are you warming up, Captain?
I am going up the mast in yet another attempt to see if I can find the communication cable from inside the mast and retrieve it. Unfortunately, I was unsuccessful and made no progress other than to confirm that the radar cable is in the forward conduit and that there are no free wires in the mast. All electrical wires are run through the aft or forward conduit. After my failed attempt in retrieving the radar communications cable, I am reinstalling the main halyard on the mainsail.
Shark bite.
What is the blood?
Thank you. Very good. Very good.
It's a new day and the sun is rising. Yesterday, Jay was able to identify that his friends had left 20 painkillers for him. That's a bit too much to drink in a single day, so we're going back to the Soggy Dollar Bar to complete the assignment and consume the balance of the painkillers. A little rain to bring out the rainbows and freshen up the air.
Oh, good. Definitely warmer. Maybe the captain can go in the water with us.
We have sunshine and the tropical colors in the water are back. It is so nice to see the kaleidoscope of colors in the water again after a cloudy day. We take a walk through Foxy's FoxHole BooTeek before we head to the beach. The BooTeek is one of the nicer gift shops in the islands. There is something for everyone.
Honey?
Oh, that's very cute.
Foxy's is an interesting and special place. A beach bar on a small tropical island, creating jobs for the locals and entertaining, feeding, and creating special experiences and memories for the sailors who visit. It is a safe place that feels rustic and authentic. Visitors dance, dine, and drink where friendships are formed and strengthened. Each time I return, the memories of the previous visits blur together with the people, faces, names, and experiences shared here. I mean, I don't have those memories trigger when I visit Walmart, Macy's, or Home Depot. Whatever magic that exists here in the islands that bring us together and create these wonderful experiences, we need everywhere. Perhaps our elected officials should come here and learn how to be decent human beings and start making peaceful and prosperous choices for the people of the world. We have all had enough of these perpetual conflicts and war.
On that note, we are heading back to Soggy Dollar for some of the magic of White Bay. Painkillers, warm soft sand, a comfy chair in the shade of a palm, and refreshing swims in the Caribbean Sea.
This view of White Bay is just amazing. It really is a picture postcard in reality, and we get to visit and enjoy the sun, sand, and warm Caribbean waters, not to mention a painkiller. Forget about the guy waving his arms. Look at the couple walking out. They have a little dachshund that's going to be doing laps between him and her. Pretty cool. It seems I go for a walk on the beach and I let the rest of the crew set up camp. 2 days in a row now. We are back at the drink board to find the remaining painkillers. It is important to stay lubricated, hydrated, when visiting the beach. Of course, with the virgins I consume, there isn't much lubrication happening.
Go ahead and do the thing properly. Get over there and take the pictures. Right by the sun. Yeah, do it properly, man.
We did all those yesterday. We did all those yesterday.
You did all those yesterday?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, okay, go.
Another one? Yeah, there's 2 of them.
If you know someone going to the Soggy Dollar Beach Bar, you can buy them a drink and it will be posted on the drink board. Let them know or they won't know to look for it.
You want to leave that out because you got one left on this
No,
side.
we took it already. We took it. Yeah.
So now we just didn't cross it off?
Yeah.
All right.
Did we get ours?
We haven't got
I
it.
haven't found it yet.
Right here. Right here.
Yeah, man. All right, now you go. I will wait for you.
The captain's out in the water somewhere. The ladies are worried about him. Apparently they're not too worried as they went to the BooTeek. I'm capturing this just for video replay evidence in case. A little swimming, a little lunch at Hendo's Honda. Pretty rough day. Part 2, I think I see the captain. The girl said he didn't take his snorkel gear, but I think he took his mask. Oh, looks like his fins. Glad to see he's able to go in the water today. Yesterday was a little chilly for him. Girls are still in the BooTeek. 4 painkillers left on the drink board. We may survive. He's back. George and I had it just in case, but he's back. We'll let him take charge.
Hey.
Oh, wow, that's
It's time to break out the floaties.
It's already got one in there.
We took a break from the beach and had a nice lunch at Hendo's Hideout.
Two, three. Whatever you say, ladies, can and will be used against you. Oh, I lost count. 4, 5. How many tries? 4. We're gonna check the red flag replay on that. I think it was 5. But I did lose count, maybe.
Losing my touch.
One final pass through the Soggy Dollar gift shop before we head back to the boat. We had 2 glorious days here at White Bay, and unfortunately, all good things come to an end. The long walk to the taxi stand. Soggy has made it nice with a marked trail and prana on both sides. It feels quite tropical, even though this is a desert island.
So just for the record, we've been on the beach drinking all day, and what are we talking about? Drinking when we get back on the boat.
Perfect.
Yep, it's perfect day.
Low risk as we're coming to a town. Get to know your neighbors, you never know your friend till you're traveling on then on the Erie Canal. Every time somebody says the A word, I have to sing that.
Where are you guys
You're the only one that's ever known it. Finally, the legend.
Where are you from?
We live in Raleigh now. I learned it in elementary school in California. A few years back. First one I've ever found that's knowing that song.
Amazing, I've never heard
My friends mess with me and say the A word often.
You're gonna start singing. She said it right away. Now you're gonna sing.
I don't care what. Oh, no, I'll go over there. I was just waiting until he got in. Nope. I'm going back to my spot as I know it. Okay. Although I am okay anyway. This is where I thought my spot was.
Our final dinghy dock departure. Actually not. Oh. Edit, cut. Take 2. Our second to last dinghy dock departure. No one was injured in the filming of this video.
Come back next time as we have dinner at Corsairs and have some fun at Foxy's. We make our way back to the dock and taxi over to King Garden Bay for dinner at Quito's, and we say farewell to our guests. We would like to invite you to subscribe, like, and leave a comment or question. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you, and thanks for watching.